Hey, what's up? This is Samuel J2000, and I'm going to show you how to make. Well, you know how last time I made a Lego video of my Lego machine gun, Lego Star Wars machine gun. Yeah. Since instead of the red dots, I put these pieces on top on the sides, and then I put instead of those antennas, I put the handles like that. That would be a much better choice. And in back you can see my base, the wall. I'll show you that, I don't know, like in July or something, because I don't really have all the pieces yet. I'll just show you the walls real quick. Those are the walls. I did different colors because, I don't know, I just wanted to do different color. And the walls are pretty long. All the walls, and you can see the gunship right there. Okay, but I'm showing you too much, so I better go. This is Samuel J2000 signing off for the second time, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.